Hello, Chris here from Motorcycle Reclamation. Right, this is the Suzuki TS250 in kit form. So, more accurately, here's the bike. So, frame without a cut rear end, that's rare. Forks look decent. Front wheel with hub with the arm on it. Back wheel, hub, arm, link arm there, and shockers. Right, let's see what else there is for you. Now, barrel needs a good hone, but there's no lip on that one so much. This one needs a good hone. There's a bit of a lip on there, but it's probably usable. And head, nice head, very nice head. I don't think that exhaust goes with this. I've got to check it out. Got to check the size out. Carburettor, couple of side panels, crank, gears. If you can see it, it's here, right? Don't ask me if it's here, because I'll look at the video same as you. Levers, that's the correct lever. They're worth having. Engine mounts, that's the rear chain guard. Extra throttle cables, because there's one already over there on the carb. Clutch, lots of clutch bits, various shafts and gears, extra cables, another link arm, ears, what looks to be a complete and original toolkit, more gears, bearings. Now, in amongst this are some new old stock bits. We're getting there in a minute. So clutch baskets, clutch inners, more clutch plates, at least a couple of looms worth of wiring, and that is, if you know these things, that is worth having. Engine side casing, left hand cover. That is the sexiest oil tank I've seen for a long while. I thought they were all plastic on these, but if that fits, it was in the box, so it might fit and work. Rear lamp, more gears, CDI unit, there's more shafts there, new gaskets and old gaskets mixed in. Yeah, several new head gaskets there, more clutch plates and outer, assorted God knows what, different rear light, rear carrier, tacho, there's no speedo, couple of generator units there. Kickstart, always useful having a kickstart, you never know when you might need one unless you're building a race bike. And two lots of crankcases with two TS250 stamped on them and visible numbers. One sort of universal but sort of correct front mudguard. So everything you've seen here goes with it. I've just got to check the exhaust, because either the exhaust's wrong or the gasket's wrong. I don't know. Let me just quickly do it while you're watching this really bad quality video. I apologise. No, I don't. Yes, it is. That is for that, because they have an outer piece as well. Yep, I think that is probably for that. And then in which case that's wrong. I don't know, but if you can see it, it all goes together. It goes with the bike. There's only one crank here. It seems to be all right. That's moving well. There's no massive movement. Of course, till you get it in unit, you're not going to know properly. But the whole lot can be £400. I was going to build it as a beach racer for Mablethorpe, but I haven't got the time at the moment. But if it's still here in a week or so, I probably will, and I'll flog it to one of the beach racing guys after I've used it for a bit of exercise. Right guys, hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about the ridiculously long video there. Cheers.